The video communication company Pexip is one of the presenting companies at Pareto Securities TechITService conference. And today we're going to talk about their trading update that they announced on the 8th of April. But first I want to know more about Pexip, so I say hello to Øystein, CFO of Pexip. Welcome to Pareto TV, Øystein. Could you please tell us more about Pexip?
Would love to. So Pexip is a provider of video conferencing technology, targeting really the large enterprise. What we promise our customers is that we deliver video communications as it should be. And with that, we mean we deliver a better way to meet with business quality audio and video. And since we target the large enterprise, that they can securely join from anywhere, regardless of what type of technologies that they're using. And thirdly, which is also a very important feature for our customers, is that they can both customize the platform, but also be sure that their data privacy and data security needs are well covered.
And are you providing a software or a hardware or both?
Pexip is actually providing both a software package that our customers can run themselves, as well as a software as a service offering, so that customers can use Pexip to host and operate the software and for them to just consume it. But we only operate in the software space. We do not do any hardware.
And since most of us is working from home right now, video communication is very popular, but most of them are using Microsoft Teams or Skype or Zoom. What's your position here?
Yeah, as I think, as I touched on initially, so we target really the large enterprise, and I would argue the most complex and customers with the toughest requirements on anything from technology, usability, as well as security and privacy. You will find us mainly in three areas, so providing high quality video meetings, so basically where you would use Teams or others. For some of our customers, they prefer Pexip, mainly because we provide an unrivaled interoperability so that any technology can join, as well as very secure and data privacy secured meetings. The other application where you will find Pexip is in the vertical market. So with doctors meeting patients, bank advisors meeting their clients, you will very often find Pexip being used for the video piece. Those customers prefer us both for our security and data privacy features, but also because the platform is very easy to customize and really sort of tailor to their customer experience. And then as a third area, a lot of customers are using Microsoft Teams and also Google Meet. And a lot of these customers are using Pexip to extend the reach of those platforms. So while a standard-based video device, such that you will find in most boardrooms, can't access those platforms directly, using Pexip as a translator in the middle, we can extend the reach of their existing meeting platform, and also then make sure that they can use all of the equipment that they have in their offices.
And you have a quite impressive list of clients. Could you give us some examples of clients you're working with?
Yeah, I would love to. So as I mentioned, we really target the large enterprise. And within the large enterprise, also public sector. So some of our recent wins are the Defense Health Agency in the US, so the provider of patient care for serving military personnel, as well as the US Veterans Affairs, which is the equivalent organization for veterans. In the US, we also serve companies such as Accenture, the Swedish is Spotify, as well as other public sector organizations such as the space agency NASA. In Europe, we have customers such as the European Commission, so that when you see, especially these days, the high-end state leader meetings within the European Union, those are being run on Pexip, as well as a range of customers within the private sector across Europe.
And going back to your trading update, you released your trading update on the 8th of April for Q1, and your annual recurring revenue for the first quarter increased with 54% year on year, mostly driven by new customers. Is that a number you're proud of?
No, for sure. I think we've shown that we can deliver strong growth both prior to the pandemic, obviously in the midst of it when everyone needed to have a video solution, but also in the quarters following that. And overall, we've been growing strong across all of our geographies. So with above 35% growth in both Asia Pacific, Americas, and EMEA. And also across both of our main product areas. So we're growing strongly both on the software side as well as the cloud service area. As you touched on, as we expected, most of our growth are coming from new customers, while we have a net retention on revenue of 104%, meaning that existing customers of Pexip at the end of Q1 of last year are now on average paying 4% more than they did 1 year earlier.
And you will release the whole first quarter in the beginning of May, but you are saying in the trading update that you are on track to reach your ARR target of $300 million by 2024. How will you reach that target?
So for us, it's taking advantage of the fact that we know that we have a product which resonates with the market by scaling up our sales and marketing operation, which basically means increasing our footprint within the existing markets where we're in today. So in practice, scaling up the various teams in the US, being it in public sector or in the enterprise space, as well as increasing the size of the team within Europe. We are also growing in Asia Pacific, but they're mainly focused on Australia, Japan, and Singapore as a hub for the rest of Southeast Asia. Because that's the main priority for us, is really to continue to invest in sales marketing, because we have shown that our investments in sales marketing does yield pretty strong returns in terms of the ARR that we get out of them.
Many thanks, Øystein.
Thank you so much for the time and allowing me to present Pexip.